got it. It's got Amazon Premium written all over it for rapid delivery, and I can't wait to unbox it. So check out the next video when we unbox it. Yeah.
Yo, what's up? Welcome to another episode of
CAIRO loves unboxing the box.
Valentine's Day has come early, my love. It's the DJI Phantom 4 4K video recording AI movement. You don't need to know how to fly a quadcopter to fly this.
Whoa. That is so cool.
Okay, we're gonna be unboxing this box. So I've got my professional box unboxer here with me, and she's gonna be showing you how it's done. So baby, take it away.
This, you basically need some nails, and you just need to basically rip it open, guys. There's no hard and fast way of doing this. Basically, have no regrets. Okay, just get in there, guys. This is so exciting. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
And it comes from Amazon, as you can see. Oh shit, yeah.
Oh my god! Wow.
It's kind of dirty though. Oh, just open it, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, it's heavy. It's a boy!
Oh, yeah. Boom shakalaka. Needs a bit of wiping. I don't know, I might return this because it's very dusty. I'm not happy with that. Well, take a look at it. Take a look at it.
Yeah, I'm with you, it's a bit dirty, but to be honest, the inside, it does still look new. Like,
let's just see if this does
Ash is a bit meticulous.
Well, if we get something new, you want it to come with a nice box. Alright, so we're going to be opening this up. It does come with a nice handle though, gotta say.
Well, that's a really big sturdy handle. It's quite a thick one. Yeah, it's rubber and it's quite good. I mean, I personally can't carry it. It's quite heavy, but there's a piece of plastic here.
Is there plastic?
Yeah. Okay, I have successfully opened it. Wow.
It comes with another box.
Okay. Gently pull it open.
And we'll just pull it out. Alright, let's see. Oh, it flicks open.
Oh my god, it's just like the movies.
Okay, what do you do now?
And then you just open it. Oh my god! Woo! Smells like, you know when you buy a brand new Apple phone?
Yeah, it smells like apple.
It smells like
that
apple.
Cleaning stuff that they use, you know, the wet
when
wipes,
you open their box.
bleach, that kind of stuff.
But I like it.
Oh.
Okay, so I see that there is a manual right here.
Check it out. Something called DJI Care, and you have control.
So exciting, guys.
Let's take it out of the box. Let's just do it. Oh,
we do it?
Yeah. You got this. It's right there.
Whoa, what does this button do?
Babe, don't play with it.
Why not?
I think that's the battery level. Okay, so we got battery, so potentially we can fly right now.
Should we do
Let's
it?
get the propellers out.
Okay, let's do it. These are the propellers,
okay,
right?
No, that's the remote. Get the remote out.
Guys, I'm really excited about this.
This is the propellers. It's in black. Look here.
Oh, nice. But then there's something here as well. What's that?
That's the remote, babe.
This is the remote?
Yeah.
It's huge.
Look, check it. Yeah, but look, it comes with like a stand.
Is that for your phone?
Yeah.
Wow.
You show them how it works.
I am going to just unravel this with you guys. So.
Nice.
There we go.
All right.
So.
Why don't you try lifting this part?
Okay. I don't want to break it. It's quite stiff.
Let's see. It is a bit stiff. All right, check it out. Check it out.
Yeah.
I think definitely this is a little hinge, so this definitely does go up. See that?
Oh wow.
So
nice
yeah,
one.
don't be afraid. This does go up. Once this is up, this is a whole lot easier to unwrap. So
okay.
Nice.
Okay.
All right.
There we go.
All right.
That's beautiful.
Stands up.
That is just.
Is it charged? Try turning it on. Oh my god.
It works.
Potentially, we can have our first flight. It's a very fancy case. So if you do want to go traveling with it, it's very sturdy.
So nice.
So where does this plug in? So you get two different outlets. I guess one of them will go inside the remote. Yeah, look. Okay.
Nice. There is a nice compartment.
This one's for the remote. This charger gets plugged straight into the battery. Okay, let's put on the propellers.
Oh my gosh, this is so exciting.
Really?
This is what I've been waiting for. None of this plug business. Okay, I'm going to do this bit because I am really excited about the propellers. This is what's going to make the drone fly. If you think about it, how is this piece of plastic going to take off from the floor? It'll do that by these propellers. Look at that, it's like having a mini helicopter inside your house. Mind blown.
So some of them have silver rims and some of them have black rims. So on the edges of this device, some of the edges have black and some of them have silver.
That's smart.
So you pretty much just plug the ones in.
For the
now,
colours.
you've taken out a lot of them, we only need 4.
So there are extra
spare ones.
Really?
Yeah, in case they'll get them.
I didn't know that. That's so good.
The big touted feature for the DJI 4 is that rather than having to spin them in, spin them out, they actually clip on somehow. So let's see how that's done. These are black.
I've just noticed, Ash, that there's a piece of plastic covering these. We probably need to take the plastic off first.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a really good spot, babe. Bit of plastic. So don't just try plugging it in straight away.
You'll probably damage it.
Some more. I mean, I got some space here.
Okay.
That's it. It just clipped on. That was easy. Silver there. Black there.
Oh, okay. That's really easy.
I think you push down and then it clips. Yeah, let's push down and then go to the direction. That's it.
Nice.
Is that it?
That was really easy. Yeah, that was so simple. So I'm just pushing down first of all, and I'm going to the right. It came off really easy that time. And then push down and then go to the left, and there it is. Look at that, look at it move. It's my own hit. It's like a mini helicopter. I want to get this thing on the road. What do you think?
I'm actually scared.
Why?
Because we're going to crash it, isn't it? It's going to fly up and something bad's going to
probably at this point I think we should take time to read the manual.
So we've set it up, it was very easy to set up, but we don't exactly know how to turn it on.
Or how to use it.
So we're going to find out and then let you know. What do you feel so far? It looks really beautiful and clean.
It is stunning.
And you know what's weird is, I think this is heavier than this.
Really? It's quite heavy. No, I'm not sure.
About the same?
They're about the same. I think they're about the same.
Well,
stay tuned guys, because CAIRO loves it. He's basically got it.
Yeah, okay, I think it looks beautiful. Whether it's worth the price of a MacBook Pro, we'll have to let you know.
I can't wait.
Yeah. Alright, let's do this.